if your ladyship wants to curtail me, nip me in the butt, that's your ladyship's prerogative. I can't say anything. But I am addressing your ladyship only on maintainability. Your ladyship may prevent me. I will bow down to, because ultimately I have to bow down to the wishes of your ladyship. But my submission is that I am making submissions only on maintainability, and those submissions are not being, I am not being permitted to be made.
To section 17 and the powers of ED.
Now, therefore, I'll tell your ladyship on maintainability as far as section 17 and powers of ED is concerned. Your ladyship may hear me. The power to search and seize flows from section 17 of the PMLA Act. What is the scope of section 17 is being examined by the Supreme Court. Get the other judgment.
Sir, please do not reiterate your submission, sir.
I'm not reiterating.
Many times.
No, I am not. I will not repeat.
You're spending time for nothing. Please do not do this. We are aware that the Supreme Court is in session of the matter.
Yes. Your ladyship is right. I have said the Supreme Court is session of the matter.
Not dealing with section 17 here.
No, but they're not. Kindly, therefore, I'll point out how this petition pertains to section 17. Kindly look at the prayer and then I'll show what section 17 is. That is their cleverness. They've drafted it in such a manner that section 17 does, but the powers flow from section 17. The powers to search and seize flow from section 17. Whether you have the right to seize, search is being examined by the Supreme Court in another batch of petitions. I will give the writ petition number. Therefore, kindly have a look at the prayer in the context of what is prayed for. Two types of prayers are made, your ladyship. One is regarding the power scope of ED to seize certain types of documents. Second is their case that private confidential documents are seized. Therefore, this can't be done. Both these matters are sub judice before the Supreme Court. I'll point out those two judgments, not the judgment.
Only on one now, sir. I hope you have heard the submissions.
No.
The petitioner only asks for preservation of the political data, allegedly political data. Grateful. All.
Now, kindly, I'm obliged. If your ladyship is confining, just hear me for a minute. Why this is not maintainable? Why this prayer is not maintainable? Hear me for a moment. Now, maintaining data would arise if I've seized the data, if it is in my possession.
So you have already said that, sir. You have already made that submission.
Therefore, if it is not seized, how can I maintain it? Therefore, the petition is not maintainable because it makes false averments that I've seized data. The data is seized by Mamata Banerjee. The prayer should be made against Mamata Banerjee. In fact, we would like that prayer to be made. We'll support them if they make that prayer against Mamata Banerjee. Therefore, where is the averment that we have seized it? What data we have seized? What data we have to be... The courts cannot give a direction to seize something which is vague and which is not certain. We have not seized. I am making a statement. ED has not seized anything because when we wanted to seize, after taking into possession, Mamata Banerjee has taken away those documents and digital devices. That is our case before the Supreme Court.
Time, sir. I have taken an order.
Therefore, the prayer against us is not maintainable. Therefore, the petition is not maintainable as far as preservation of data. If what data we have to preserve, we have not seized anything. We don't have possession of anything. Therefore, my statement may be recorded.
That's all. I'll record.
Therefore, that prayer is therefore the petition is not maintainable.
Very well. Let me hear the response.
There are two things. I'll finish off early as far as two other submissions are concerned. Number one, what we can say is when we can search is subject matter of petition of TASMAC, which is writ petition number 23. What is the writ petition?
Anything bad?
I will, which is writ petition number 395 of, no, that is the other, TASMAC. TASMAC petition.
Anything bad, sir?
No, this is.
So that's.
I'll give the number of petitions which are pending on this point. SLP criminal 80448 of and 8049 of 2025. This is TASMAC regarding the power and scope of ED to seize and search documents. That is 80. Then as far as Supreme Court guidelines for search and seizure and seizure of digital devices pending before the Supreme Court. May I give the case numbers? Foundation of Medical Professionals versus Union of India, writ petition criminal 395 of 22. Then Amazon Sellers Services Private Limited versus Directorate of Enforcement, writ petition civil 1081 of 22. PPK News Click Private Limited versus Union of India, writ petition criminal 679 of 23. Future Gaming and Hotel Services Private Limited versus Directorate of Information, writ petition criminal 515 of 24. I'll give a list. View Now Infotech Private Limited versus ED, writ petition criminal 63 of 25. State of Tamil Nadu versus Director of Enforcement, special criminal number, SLP criminal number 7958 of 25. And the last one is the attachment. So all these matters in the Supreme Court are seized with the powers of ED to seize documents, including private documents. This matter is live and kicking before the Supreme Court. Therefore, when the matter is live and kicking before the Supreme Court, the judicial propriety requires, not in the second matter also, that this honorable court should not hear the matter. That is the judgment of G.K. Trivedi.
Second matter is your matter, sir. I'll adjourn it on your prayer.
No, even the first matter, I am on the first, I am conscious. Second matter also, all these judgments and all this I'm citing with respect to the second matter. First matter is our own petition.
First matter is no longer on merits now. They are requesting a very limited direction. So let me hear, sir. Let me hear
I'm on the verge of completion. I'm on the verge of completion. As far as my ladyship has not understand and I am not made myself clear as far as what I'm submitting. I'm submitting as far as second petition is concerned. As far as second petition is concerned, all the issues which they have raised is live and kicking before the Supreme Court in large number of cases, the list of which I've just mentioned orally. That is with respect to second petition. Now, if such a petition is pending, kindly have a look at one last judgment, then I'll be over. 1986, supplementary SCC, page 20, para 83. 1986, supplementary SCC, page 20, para 83. I have said that the issues in the second petition are being argued and heard before the Supreme Court.
Yes, you're referring to paragraph?
Paragraph 83 of this judgment. This is not with respect, I should not be misunderstood. It is with respect to the second batch of petitions. First batch, your ladyship is clear, I am obliged for that. Second batch of petitions. Civil appeals 1525 and 1526 of 1982 are directed against the order of the Gujarat High Court dismissing the writ petitions filed by the appellants challenging the constitutionality of Section 15 of the Mines and Minerals Regulation Development Act 1957 and validity of notification number so-and-so dated June 8, 1881 and directed the appellants to approach the Supreme Court as similar matters are pending there. In our opinion, the course adopted by the High Court was not correct. If the High Court thought that the point raised by the appellants was the same as was pending in this court, it ought to have stayed the hearing of the writ petition until this court disposed of the other matters. So if I pointed out that similar matters are pending before the Supreme Court with respect to the second petition. First petition is my matter. Second petition I pointed out on the scope of 17 petitions are pending. There's item number 2. I'm making submissions to item number 1. Item number 2 is mine, where your ladyship is with me as far as adjourning the matter is concerned. With respect to item number 1 is concerned, I pointed out that issue of Section 17 is pending before the Supreme Court. Issue of seizure of sensitive data, how it is to be done, private, is also pending before the Supreme Court. If that is pending, in view of this judgment of the Supreme Court which is binding, this matter should be adjourned till those matters are decided. And one more judgment in this point.
Just respond, my lady, now.
Now, one more judgment.
Get to 4 p.m.
One more judgment. I'm sorry, I have not completed. Where No, all right, leave it. This is all that I have to submit on maintainability. And my other submission is, I may be permitted to file an affidavit on maintainability before your ladyship decides to hear the matter. I want to file an affidavit and bring everything on record and point out all those petitions which are there. Your ladyship may grant me time to file an affidavit and then place all this material on record, and thereafter your ladyship may hear the other side, because this is preliminary objection which I have raised. Orally I have raised. I want to put everything on affidavit. I want to produce all those documents, and I want to show the Supreme Court judgment and show everything which I have stated.
Come back with an affidavit.
I'll come back.
My lady, may I just respond to Mr. Raju's arguments?
Dr.
Till then the hearing may
Yes.
be kept on everything.
I have a request.
Yes.
Come back with an affidavit with all these issues, with all these points.
I'm just going to take 2
I'll
minutes, my
come back.
lady. 2 minutes.
I'll
Okay,
come
that
back.
clear to me. But may I just
Come
take
back.
2
Your
minutes?
ladyship may give me about 2 weeks time. I'll come back.
Nothing is required, my lady. May I just make 2 points? One, Mr. Raju's statement may be recorded as he's appearing for the Enforcement Directorate that nothing was seized. He has asked my lady to record that. I will also join him in this request. It is probably the only request we'll ever make together on something. So that's the first point. The
Yes,
second point
I
is
will not
this.
make a wrong
The
statement.
Yes, absolutely. I know you won't make a wrong statement.
I said
Therefore,
it
I'm
is not in my
respectfully
possession.
requesting.
It is not in
Now,
my
please
possession.
don't interrupt me, Mr. Raju. I didn't interrupt you. I heard you. Now, please don't interrupt me.
Something, yes.
So, the first thing I want to say is please record that statement. The second thing I want to say is our petition was of a very limited nature, that of protecting personal political data which is relevant to a well-established political party that ED may have seized. That is the width of it, and that is protected by Puttuswamy. That is the second. It's para 11 of our petition. I'm not going to read the petition. It's been read to my lady too many times today for such a short petition. I imagine what would have happened if Keshavananda's petition was read and reread in this fashion. But be that as it may. Point 3, and I want to make this point. It is inappropriate and unbecoming to bully a political party which has filed a petition at the time when it believed that personal data of that political party relevant to the upcoming assembly elections was being housed by their political strategists, not of yesterday or day before, but for the past 6 years. It is a well-founded fear that we had, and that is why we came to court. Then 4, on the issue of the affidavit, the authorization letter for this member of the Trinamool Congress has been filed with our wakalat. Mr. Raju could have asked his instructing lawyers to just check this. The authorization letter has been filed, and that authorization was given by a National Working Committee member of the party. And this person who has signed the affidavit is a member of the party. There is nothing, no great conspiracy
No
here.
knowledge, no
We
knowledge.
all want to have free and fair elections. We find it suspect that our political strategist office was targeted in this way a few months before the assembly elections. I want to be clear. That is the fear
Our
here.
says that money laundering
We
is
are not
the
here on the
culture of money
scope
laundering
or the
in the advice of political
constitutionality.
elections.
Don't interrupt me.
No,
We are not
telling
here
you.
on the scope.
It has
Or please
nothing to
mute
do with-
yourself
nothing
then.
to do with- she's
Please
not
mute
admitting
yourself.
pensionability. She's not
Please
admitting
mute yourself.
pensionability.
All right? This is
You're
unbecoming
admitting
conduct.
pensionability.
And the
Our
next
case
time
is
you
the
want to,
same
as
case
law
money
officer,
laundering. You did not
refer
want
to a
money
sitting
laundering
chief
to
minister
guide
by
the
her name, give her the dignity of calling her the chief minister of a state, a multi-term chief minister. There is a certain decorum to be maintained in a courtroom, Mr. Raju. I want to be clear here. This is what I'm
only
on.
because you say there's
The
no decorum,
affidavit
doesn't
has
mean
been
there's no
filed
decorum.
by a member of a political party, authorized. That letter of authorization has been filed with the Wakalatnama. That is on the record.
case is-
All we are here, if Mr. Raju is going on the record and saying that nothing has been seized, then please record that statement. We then believe that maybe political data was seized from our political
My
strategists,
statement may be
which
recorded.
is
Nothing has been
indicative to
seized
the
from-
assembly elections. That is all I'm here. If that statement has been made, our petition may be disposed of in those terms, that nothing has been seized. I'm grateful for my lady's patient hearing.
राजू सर बोलते रहो
Lord, may I just submit only one? I have been instructed to submit before your lordship.
You're appearing for?
Union of India, I am.
I will not
I am
hear
submitting-
so
I am
many
not-
counsels for the
I am
Union
not
of India. I'm
submitting a
extremely
single
sorry.
word. I am not submitting a single word, only the instruction. Which
No,
has
no,
come.
your ladyship, I'm sorry.
I am not saying
He has
anything.
made a statement that on my
But
statement
Tiwari-
of the petition, nothing survives. Nothing survives on my statement.
Counterpart.
Whatever argument Mr. Tiwari has made, He is
Senior advocate of the Supreme Court has made a statement that on my statement the petition
Cannot
is
take
false, that it is done.
Court of Mr. What
I'm
is
sorry. I'm sorry, Mother. Why is he interrupting in the middle of the statement? Now, on my statement, your ladyship may hear me. On my statement that we have not seized anything from these premises, the petition may be withdrawn as stated by the learned counsel for the petitioners. Let there be sanctity to what has been stated in the court. I have made my statement, and I abide by my statement, and let them abide by their statement that they are withdrawing the petition.
Please, we are not withdrawing anything,
Oh, you
Mr.
said
Raju.
that. I'm sorry.
Please record. No, I did
sorry.
not say that. Do
Well,
not put
you
words in
said
my
it.
mouth.
I'm so sorry.
My
Now,
lady, please
now,
record
I
the
don't make a
statement
wrong
that
statement.
nothing
I'm
was
so
seized.
sorry.
And in those terms,
Because
it may be
heard her.
disposed of. Mr.
Because
Raju
heard
obviously
her.
does
She
not
said,
know
I'm
the
withdrawing
difference
that statement is
between
made,
disposed
accepted.
of and withdrawal. I am
I'm sorry,
surprised.
I'll put it on affidavit. Let the proceedings be. Let
I
the
request all my friends to slightly
made a statement.
let Raju sir speak because he's wanting to make a last submission which may be of relevance.
How long, Mr. Raju will?
Mr. Raju submit.
How long, Mr.
My
Raju?
submission is
Last
this.
submission will be
I have
of
made a statement.
much importance if my lord
Kindly
wants to
say,
say
I have made a statement that I have not seized anything from these two premises at the time of the search. On that statement, my colleague
This is really,
Anika has said that she's withdrawing the petition. She
I
has-
never said that,
she has
Mr.
made that
Raju.
statement.
I
That
never
statement
said
is
that.
made,
You are
and
having
therefore the
momentary
petition
amnesia.
will not survive.
Yes.
Sorry.
You are having momentary
I can't-
amnesia.
No,
I
no,
never
don't
said
go back.
that. I
Don't go
said
back.
my lady
I'm
may
very
record
sorry.
your
She has
statement.
made
It
that
may be
statement.
disposed of. It
No.
may be disposed of in those
adjourn the
terms.
matter today.
I am very
Doesn't matter.
surprised you don't know the
Disposed of.
difference between disposed of and withdrawing.
Yes, it may be disposed of. I'm obliged. Let it be disposed of on my
Very well. My lady
I'm
may please
obliged.
record that statement.
Yes.
Please record that statement that nothing was seized.
Yes,
And that
it
the
will be
ASG
recorded
is
and
making
the
that
disposal
statement.
may also be recorded. I have no objection.
Sir, please make your submission now.
My submission is
He's been submitting for
I
an hour
am
and
on
a half.
instructions that nothing has been seized
Let me.
on these two premises, the residence of Pratik Jain and IPAC on the date of the search, that is 8th of January 26. Nothing, no record, no digital device has been seized. And on that statement, the statement of the petitioner's counsel is the petition may be disposed of in view of that statement. I am obliged. Let the matter be
That's
disposed
what
of.
I was trying to impress upon my lord, that here Mr. Raju, just for the, because that can be of very much importance for this honorable court.
Are you differing with Mr. Raju?
My lord.
Are you differing with Mr. Raju?
Oh, yes, my lord, I am appearing in adherence. Yes, my lord, yes, whatever Mr. Raju is saying.
That nothing has been seized by the ED.
Yes. Yes, I am making a statement. 80 officers are with me. I am making a statement. Mr. Trivedi, it's all right.
Please record that statement, my lady. We'd be grateful.
Nothing has
Please
been
record his
seized
statement.
on 8th of January from these two premises in the raid, and all whatever was taken into possession has been taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
This is in consonance.
So it says that nothing was seized from the premises.
By the ED.
We are not able to.
But it is only to assist your lordship.
And everything was taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
Yes, this is the search and seizure.
The punch number also says that nothing was seized.
Yes,
Record that.
Yes.
yes.
Please sit down, my lord. This is the reason why I said it will take 1 minute.
See, the clock has also stopped.
Time has stood still, my lady, in this courtroom today. We've had causeless read out multiple times.
Add some- yes.
I am appearing on in
The
the
second matter.
matter.
Which
so
is
but-
being adjourned.
So yes, there is I have submissions. My submission is this, Milord. Firstly, Milord, I am appearing on behalf of Mamata
What is
Banerjee.
the 2 minutes? Let me finish up the first matter.
No
The
problem.
first matter.
I
Then
don't have.
get back to
I
you.
don't have
I'll
it.
get back to you.
Give your blessing.
My lord will kindly dictate it on the mic.
Just
তোদের
now,
হাত জোর
yes.
করছি ভাই
Yes.
তোদের হাত সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টকে হাত জোর
Outside the court, Hajjo. Not in court.
Yes.
Heard learned counsels for the parties. The only prayer of the petitioner in the writ petition is for preservation of the political confidential data and protection of the same from being circulated or divulged to any entity at the behest of the second and third respondents. Paragraph. The other prayers in the writ petition are not pressed by the petitioners. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the respondents submits, comma, on instructions, comma, that nothing whatsoever was seized from the two premises in question by the authority.
On the search made on 8th of January 26.
Pursuant to the search,
Search is made.
2026.
And whatever was seized by Mamata Banerjee. That is my statement.
There's copies of the Panchnamas drawn up by the Enforcement Directorate.
We are not saying it was submitted by Mr. Ganguly.
Pro forma respondent. I have recorded that. Pro forma respondent. Yes. কি বলে? Panchnamas drawn up at the places of alleged search and seizure, which demonstrate that nothing was seized from either the office of the pro forma respondent or the residence of, what is his designation?
Is it probably director?
The director of the company.
The
Director of
the director of the
IPAC.
Respondent 4. Director of Respondent 4. One of the directors of Respondent 4.
in view of such submission made on behalf of the respondents, comma, nothing further remains to be dealt with in the present application. Stop. The same is accordingly disposed of.
Grateful, my lord.
May I only submit
Grateful,
one
my
thing?
lady. Very
May I only
grateful.
submit one thing? My statement that whatever was there was seized by Mamata Banerjee may also be recorded. My statement that whatever was seized by
It's my
Mamata
petition, my lady.
Yes,
Why is he
that
trying
is
to
what
dictate
Mamata
the
Banerjee
order? She's
said
not
in
the Chief
record.
Minister is not a party here.
Doesn't matter.
So
My statement may be recorded in full, Your Ladyship. Why part recording of my statement?
This is
My
not some
statement is we have
political
not seized
theatre.
whatever is seized by Mamata Banerjee. Therefore, Trinamool Congress will have to file a case against
petition
Mamata
number
Banerjee.
2 is there. You argue all this there, Mr. Raju.
That is different. This is a different petition. You have said that.
Same
it's a different
petition, Mr.
Not there.
Raju,
You're not a
two
party.
sides.
You're not a party in
Please
that.
argue this there.
Yes.
And no data backup was taken.
Grateful.
Grateful. Very grateful.
Yes, now,
My lady, very grateful. Thank you for your time.
Yes,
and I
grateful, my lord.
just a second.
I'm obliged to Your Ladyship for a. I'm obliged to Your Ladyship for a patient hearing.
Just 3 minutes,
For a-
and I will request your lordships, if your lordships just consider that any of my submission is recorded, my lord, that's all. Nothing more.
Adjourning the matter, Mr. Pondapada, so you can.
What?
come back on
No,
the
what? Just a minute.
May I only submit this, Your Ladyship?
That's
Ladyship,
my lord, kindly say the hearing is in
I'm thankful for a patient hearing, Your Ladyship.
progress. Matter is that
Lady, I join Mr. Raju also. We are both
Hearing is
thankful for a
progress.
patient hearing.
The Supreme Court is in session of.
No, I am coming. That is the reason I am coming. Exactly, I want to say this thing. Well, firstly, let me very much clear myself that I am appearing on behalf of the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, not the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee. She is the chairperson of. They have wrongly.
In which matter my learned friend is appearing?
What is
Sorry,
that?
which matter are you
Please
appearing in?
don't interfere.
I want to know which matter
Don't
you are
interfere.
appearing. Not interfere. I'm only asking.
কি গো সব সময়তে
Patience.
I should know which matter. Is there a matter pending?
See, this petition was on 9th in the morning. It was leave
This
was
is not disposed of. Is he arguing a disposed of matter?
Presenting 3, 4, and 5. You're appearing.
State and the officer.
officers.
So that's 3, 4, and 5.
Yes.
The
In 4 and 5, we have no notice.
अरे भाई আমাকে একটু বলতে
Since he's asking for an adjournment, let me
Yes.
adjourn the matter for some time.
But yeah, lordships can adjourn. But I am submitting only that hearing of the petition 2 is also commenced. That's I am saying submitting. Initially I have said if item 2 hearing has been commenced. I am nothing. I am saying. Then the map because of the paucity of time matter is adjourned. That's not. I am just suggesting. I am just suggesting. I am just suggesting.
Item 2, Trinamool Congress is not a party. Is appearing for whom in item number 2?
This is very important. Why I am saying. Why I am saying.
He has no locus. Is appearing for whom? appearing for whom, Mr. Bandyopadhyay? You are appearing for whom?
Given by the ED to the court, to this court. Therefore, my lord, kindly see paragraph 12.
Atmosphere, here the matter.
कौन सा?
Therefore, we are before.
Page end.
This is
Kindly see. Joseph के दो. कौन कौन से?
I made that statement.
left hand side page top. 17, 18, 19.
Verse 17. Kindly see. May I read it? The Petitioner Enforcement Directorate had approached the Honorable High Court by filing a petition on Article 226 of the Constitution of India. However, before the matter could be taken up by the High Court, enormous disturbance was created inside the courtrooms, organized through a WhatsApp group by supporters and sympathizers of the ruling party of West Bengal.
Order. Nothing else. They have recorded my. This is
No,
the order.
that's it. Malak, this is allegation.
There's no local. Trinamool Congress is not a party.
Aforesaid fact is also evident from the order.
Why is he allowed to even argue?
What is this?
Yes, what is this? I should ask you. I should ask you. The court has said the matter is being adjourned. How can you argue even if you are not a party? How can you argue even if you are not a party? Have you filed an impleadment application? Have you filed an impleadment application?
The proceeding is being live.
Maybe. When the
Trinamool Congress is not a party in the second matter. Yes, no
what I
letter
am
to the
submitting,
court.
when the
Taking advantage.
matter will be going on in the Supreme Court, that the honorable judges of the Supreme Court will not look into the video. They will go only.
How he can say what the Supreme Court judges will do? Who is it to say what the Supreme Court judges do or not? Recently, we played some videos
I
before
am
the Supreme Court.
My observation
In
that
two matters, Umar Khalid, we played videos, number of videos. In PFI matter, we played videos. How is he making statement what the Supreme Court judges will do or not?
Therefore,
Such
if
thing,
the count has been
I
taken,
strongly object to
my lord, at least, Milord, this is my
what the Supreme Court will do. They will ask my learned friend and do.
sought for by them.
What nonsense.
Kindly record to that extent. Adjournment has been sought for by them.
He is not a party. Trinamool Congress is not a party. He should not be heard. I do not know why he is being given this leniency.
on the ground that the Enforcement Directorate has filed SLP, Special Leave Petition, before the Honorable Supreme Court, and with prayers which are almost identical to that of the present application. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Paragraph in view of the above, comma. The matter is adjourned. Liberty to mention after the matter before the Honorable Supreme Court is disposed of.
Will be responded.
Grateful, I'm obliged for a page. Your Ladyship.
Want to proceed with the matter? Can you record that, Milord? But we are willing
He's
to.
not a party. He's not a party. How can he proceed upon non-party can proceed? Appearing for whom?
No substance.
The respondents
Learned additional Solicitor General
are ready
submission has
and
no
willing
substance at all.
to proceed with the matter before the
Of course. You are the one who decides what has to be done, what substance I have, what the Supreme
I'm
Court.
very, very grateful, my lady, for such a patient
I'm
hearing.
grateful for patient hearing. I'm sorry I had to argue a little loudly because of the video disturbance. I'm grateful. I'm obliged.
I'm so grateful, my lady. Happy New Year to everyone.
21 to 26.
is
Happy New Year. Happy Sankranti.
disposed of. Correct.
Yes, happy Sankranti, Mr. Raju. Let's not forget our own festivals. Yes, happy Sankranti.